welcome to Minutes of Motivation. I would like to interview today Mr. Paulo Tibig. He's an inspirational motivational speaker, a best-selling author, and an entrep champ. And sir, if you can just tell us, what is your secret of being an entrep champ?
Yun yung we wanted to see that many Filipinos to be the next champion entrepreneurs. Yun yung gusto natin manalo. But it takes a lot of time, effort, and syempre, given the right values and ethics to be one. Di ba? First, you have to be credible. Kailangan credible tayo eh. Parang yung mga ginagawa natin, if you wanted to really explore things, kung gusto natin bigyan ng pagkakataon na makita yung oportunidad sa isang bagay na ginagawa natin, kailangan mapakita. Kailangan nating really ma-assess yung sarili natin if we're up to it or not. So, if you do good in certain areas of your expertise, then go on. Kasi pag naging expert ka in your field, then you will say that you will be credible. So, ibig sabihin, kung credible na ako sa ginagawa ko, di ba it's easier to relate to people that credibility because you know exactly what you say, what you do, and even without the framework of things, kayang-kaya mo siya. So that's one. It's about credibility. Pangalawa, entrep champs, given na yun that we need to be passionate on the things that we do. Di ba? It takes a lot of hard work, takes a lot of tons of probably prowess, perseverance that we have to put in. The effort that we give in, di ba? Minsan sabi nila, translate to the result that we want. So ibig sabihin, we need to move forward, give time to what you do, spend a lot of resources to make it happen. Kasi ganun yun eh. And then third, we need to really, the way it's a cliche, kailangan nating mangarap. Una-una, libre ang mangarap.
Tama.
Diba?
Dream big.
Kung mangarap lang din naman tayo at ang lagi ko lang sinasabi, walang masama mangarap, maliit o malaki.
Tama.
Ang isang key at importante, we just need to work on it.
Tama.
Ibig sabihin, kahit nandyan, maaabot mo siya, pero hindi mo tinatrabaho, hindi mo pinaghihirapan, hindi mo binibigyan ng panahon, hindi mo binibigyan ng importansya, baliwala din. Kaya work on it. So, these are the things that can help you out. In fact, whether in negosyo, sa trabaho, sa pagpasok natin, kung nag-aaral tayo, di ba, we need to be motivated at all times.
Correct.
Di ba? Sabi nga natin, walang ibang magmo-motivate sa atin, kundi sarili natin. Kahit na anong push, ano nang tulak na gagawin ng mga tao na kapaligid sa atin, it's useless. Kung ikaw mismo, you will not get up, you will not move on, at hindi mo gagawin na ma-motivate ang sarili mo. So these are just some of the things that probably attributes to very good and champion entrepreneurs.
Correct.
Given na yun na we have expertise dun sa mga ginagawa natin. If we're good in services, so much so. We have the skill set, kailangan nakaset yan, technical capabilities, funding requirements, and all the power within us, the leadership skills, and all the skill set na kailangan natin to move on and get it done. Yeah. So, while we say that there's always reason and there's always opportunity na maging magaling, successful tayo, whether sa corporate world, in our personal life, and in negosyo, we have to make it happen. So the first things first, di ba sabi nga natin, are you going to be the spectator or are we going to be the player? Spectator will just watch the game, how it unfolds, tinitignan kung paano nangyayari, nanonood lang, pumapalakpak, humihiyaw, sumisigaw. Pero ikaw mismo, tayo mismo, player ba tayo? Now, if we wanted to win games, tayo mismo lalaro, tayo ang tataya, tayo magte-training, i-equip natin sarili natin, di ba? I-build up natin sarili, magpe-prepare tayo mabuti, at ipanalo natin yung game. So, hindi masyado importante kung mananalo tayo o matatalo tayo. Ang pinaka-importante doon, kung tayo mismo susubukan natin, gagawin natin, at ipapakita natin na pwede natin siyang marating, magawa, at pwede nating labanan o pwede nating subukan at tutunan. That's life.
True. So sir, if I got it right, you have to dream big, you have to be credible, you have to really work on it, you have to be an expert of what you do, and you really have to decide to be a player.
Yes.
So ito talaga yung secrets nyo.
These are just some.
Some of the many.
Yes. There are so many attributes na nakikita natin to be champions. There may be successful one, but champions are different breed from just those who are just successful.
Thank you very much for your
Thank you.
We look forward to seeing you.
Yes, I hope to see you soon also.
Yes,
Thank you, everyone.
together. Thank you so much.